All right, let's pull back the curtain on something massive. You think you know what's going on at Boeing? Think again. They're quietly deploying a new generation of artificial intelligence that's about to change everything, and they are definitely not advertising it. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 AI tools Boeing won't talk about. Stick around because the #1 spot is a game changer that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Let's kick things off at number 5, Kyndryl's Agentic Cloud Brain. Now, you've probably never heard of Kyndryl, but major airlines are already using their AI to predict the future. This isn't just about checking a weather app. This AI acts like a psychic, analyzing massive data sets to forecast weather patterns with incredible accuracy. The result? Airlines using it are already reporting a staggering 35% reduction in delays. Think about that the next time you're not stuck at the gate. While Boeing doesn't boast about it, this technology is fundamental to making their new aircraft operate with maximum efficiency. It's the invisible hand ensuring your flight leaves on time. Why so quiet about it? Because admitting your billion-dollar jets rely on a psychic cloud brain might be a little too futuristic for shareholders. Coming in at number 4 is Veryon AIRE. Imagine an AI that has read every single technical manual ever written for an aircraft. That's Veryon AIRE. It's a maintenance oracle. Instead of a mechanic spending hours or even days flipping through dense binders to troubleshoot a problem, they can just ask the AI. It provides instant, precise instructions. This drastically cuts down on maintenance time, reduces human error, and keeps planes in the air where they belong. For Boeing, this is a double-edged sword. It makes their planes more reliable, but it also highlights how complex they've become. It's a quiet revolution happening in hangars around the world, making air travel safer, one AI-powered diagnosis at a time. At number 3, we have Aionos Agents. Remember that big aviation festival in Lisbon? While everyone was looking at the shiny new planes, the real magic was happening behind the scenes. Aionos Agents were being showcased as the new digital workforce for airlines. These aren't just chatbots. They are autonomous AI agents that can manage logistics, optimize flight paths, and even handle crew scheduling in real time. They are essentially creating self-running airlines. Boeing's interest here is obvious. Planes that can integrate seamlessly with an AI-driven ecosystem are the future. The entire system, from ticketing to landing, becomes a single, intelligent organism. They're not shouting about it because this level of automation can be a sensitive topic, but believe me, the integration has already begun. Now, for the one that's getting seriously hush-hush. At number 2, it's the secretive deal Boeing signed with Palantir. If you know Palantir, you know they don't mess around. They are masters of data, and they're bringing their expertise to Boeing's factories. We're talking about creating sentient factories, manufacturing lines that can predict their own failures, reroute tasks, and essentially self-heal like living tissue. Imagine a factory that knows a machine will break down a week before it happens and automatically orders the replacement part. This is the key to scaling production and fixing the supply chain issues that have plagued them. This partnership is being kept under tight wraps because it represents a manufacturing advantage so significant, it's practically a military secret. And finally, the #1 AI tool Boeing won't talk about, the one that ties it all together. It's Archer's Midnight Flying Taxi, paired with, get this, Tesla bots. Officially, Boeing is just an investor in Archer, and the Tesla bots are just a demo for moving parts around. But connect the dots. We're talking about an entire ecosystem. An Uber-in-the-sky service with autonomous flying vehicles maintained and operated by humanoid robots. This isn't just about one plane. It's about building the entire infrastructure for the future of urban air mobility. The reason for the silence. This is their long-term play, their checkmate move to dominate not just the skies, but the very way we move through cities. They're pretending it's a small side project, but this is their moonshot. So, there you have it. from psychic weather predictors to self-healing factories and robot-run air taxis. The future is already here, it's just not being broadcast. What do you think? Is this exciting or a little terrifying? If you want me to do a follow-up video and leak how some of these systems actually work on a technical level, let me know in the comments below. Your engagement drives this channel, so let me hear from you. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.